So we are back today and we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a review on a product, and it's going to be a type of product that I've never ever tried before. So it's actually pretty exciting for me. So if you guys want to see what I'm going to be unboxing today, just keep on watching. So today we are going to, drum roll please, we are going to be unboxing a hair wig. A wig? A hair wig? I don't know what you call it. Well, this one is called UNIWIGS. So I'm going to be trying this one. It's a 24-inch hair wig in like a chocolatey brown with a little bit of highlights. So the package looks like this. And by the way, guys, this is 100% pure human hair. Yep. So the reason why I am even going after a hair wig is because I am the type of person that probably will, for as long as possible, I won't be coloring my hair, because I personally really love the color of my hair, and I am shit scared to ruin my hair in terms of like damages and whatnot. So that is that. Let's just start unboxing. It's really heavy right off the bat. Like, this is a lot of hair. Okay, so in the box comes a wig cap. So this is something, oh my god, I don't want to put that on camera. I'll just have to go like this while I put it on, and then I put the wig on, because I'm gonna look hilarious. Look at this girl. Oh my god, she's hilarious. She's rocking this look. Good for her, honestly. Not enough money could be paid for me to pose for an ad like this, but kudos to you, girl. You did well. So yeah, in comes the cap, wig cap, and it's called the deluxe wig cap. It looks like a sock, like a lady's sock, but like obviously it's different. It's not, but it's the same kind of material. So in comes these little clips. I think it's actually the same thing that's on the edge of the cap. Okay, so those are probably if this one gets loose, or you lose it, or if it comes off, you can just sew more, or if you just want a tighter hold, you could just sew more on. But they have them all around. So that's it for what comes in the box. I'll be taking this off of the wig. I think this is whenever you want to store it, you just want to keep this so that you can store it properly. And then in this lovely cap and hair, we have this holder. Like, this will help it keep its shape. Yeah, this is the hair. So as I'm touching it, it's really soft. It actually is very like silky, smooth hair. Very beautiful color. Oh my god, can you guys even imagine? Yes. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. Oh my god. That's actually really chic. Oh my god, I can't even imagine. Because this is like real human hair. This like was on somebody else's head. Wow. They had... That person's really blessed. They have really nice and silky hair. So guys, when I did the order for this wig, they did ask for specific measurements, such as, you know, the measurement from my forehead to the back of my head, from my ear to my side of my, you know, head, so that they do give me the right wig size. But yeah, they had a really large selection of colors and lengths, different hairstyles, different forms of, you know, like partings. I did have a look, and I just wanted to pick something that I absolutely would not do myself. And not to say that this is anything that dramatic, but it's just, I really like having virgin hair. As well, the length is actually a little bit longer than my own hair. My hair is right now, if I straighten it, right now it's 2 fingers above my belly button. And I believe once I put this on, it goes, oh my god, way below my belly button. So I just wanted to, yeah, because my hair doesn't really, it's really hard to grow out your hair that much and for it to stay healthy. So that's why. And guys, get this. This is actually one of the reasons why I did pick this wig company to try their wigs. It said on their website that they use 100% high quality Remy human hair. Remy human hair is that it is considered the finest quality of human hair since the cuticles are kept intact. That is actually pretty crazy. So that is definitely the finest type of hair you can actually get your hands on. And the other really cool thing about this wig is that it has a lace front, which is actually the most natural type of wigs if you want to get one. It makes it so natural. I've seen it on different people and you almost can't even tell that it is a wig. So once you adjust this, you're just going to trim that off and then see, it's like a see-through material. That's really cool. So guys, it is not a full review if I don't try it on. If you guys want to see how I style this and wear it and what it ends up looking like, stay tuned for my next video and I will do a big reveal there. And guys, as per usual, I will have all the information listed down below of what the website is, where I got mine from, and I will attach links so that in case you guys are interested, you guys can check it out as well. Until next time.